Okay, next one, if z minus alpha by z plus alpha, alpha belongs to real number, alpha is a real number, is a purely imaginary number. Okay, so this complex number is purely imaginary, and mod z is equal to 2, then a value of alpha is, okay, so this is our question. So let us take our complex number z minus alpha by z plus alpha. So let us substitute x plus iy instead of z, x plus iy minus alpha by x plus iy plus alpha. Now separate the real and imaginary parts, x minus alpha plus iy by x plus alpha plus iy. Okay, so given our complex number is purely imaginary, that means real part is 0. Purely imaginary means there is no real part, that means real part is 0. So how to get real part from this complex number? Since x plus alpha plus iy, the denominator contains complex numbers, so we have to convert this complex number into a plus ib form, then we get the real part. Okay, so for that purpose we have to rationalize the denominator with its conjugate complex number. So to get real part we have to rationalize the denominator, so that is we have to understood here x plus alpha plus iy. So the conjugate of denominator is x plus alpha minus iy by x plus alpha minus iy. Okay, so this is rationalization. So now we need only real part. Since the given complex number is purely imaginary, that means real part is 0. So we have to write like this, real part is 0. So real part of this entire complex number means, so multiply the real parts in the numerator, x minus alpha into x plus alpha. So this is real part. Multiply the real parts and multiply the imaginary parts, iy into minus iy, minus I square y square, which become plus y square. And in denominator, let us say this is a and this is b, a plus ib into a minus ib. So the formula is a square plus b square, that means x plus alpha whole square plus y square. So entirely this is the real part of this complex number, and this is equal to 0. Okay, so now transposing denominator to right side, so finally we get x minus alpha into x plus alpha means x square minus alpha square plus y square is equal to 0. Okay, now transposing alpha square to right side, it become plus alpha square. Now what is this x square plus y square? It is nothing but mod z square. Mod z means root of x square plus y square. So x square plus y square means is nothing but mod z square. So here given mod z is equal to 2, therefore alpha square is equal to 2 square, which is equal to 4. Therefore alpha is equal to plus or minus root 2. Alpha square is equal to 4 means alpha is equal to plus or minus root 2. That means we have two possibilities for alpha. They are plus 2, minus 2. Here then a value of alpha. So in option A 2 is there. Okay, there is no minus 2 here. Therefore we take option A is the right answer. Thank you.